Well, car's kind of a mess still, but we've got all the unnecessary wiring gone. We're down to just a few wires, only what's absolutely necessary for the car to. Let's try this again. As I was saying, we're down to what's only absolutely necessary inside the car as far as wiring. And I've hooked up the battery. We have turn signals, front and rear. Hazards as well. Brake lights, headlights, the whole nine still. And yeah, I can start finalizing it tomorrow and then actually install the Haltech and everything. We'll get this baby on the road. Well, you know, figuratively. I did find I had a ground issue, so all my lights are brighter. The car should run better. So I'm really glad I went through all this trouble. It's turned out to be a pretty good idea, and yeah, I didn't save a whole lot of weight, which wasn't the main goal, but I did want to cut down on unnecessary wiring, as a lot of the old wiring is in the way. And well, now that I found that ground issue, I'm pretty happy. Apparently this was never attached in the entire time I've owned this car. That's a ground junction. Yeah, pretty happy with the progress. We're gonna try cutting. I know you guys can't see it because of the lights, but we're gonna try cutting out our centerpiece here while we got enough material to hold on to, and then we'll drop this piece and trim it to fit. Got my safety glasses on. Always protect your eyes. You only get one set. And yeah, that's about my safety briefing right there. uglier than hell, but we'll get it cleaned up. It should be, yep, just a little smaller than I really need. So we'll grind away at the remaining pieces, make that a little prettier, and then we'll move on. As you can see, got the plate pretty well finished. It needs some paint, so that way it doesn't rust. I got it all cleaned up. The back cut out. It's not the cleanest, but not too bad for using nothing but an angle grinder, a bench grinder, and a hand file. That's how I made this whole thing. I used Haltech's little template, and came out great. Gotta get some washers, snug this up. Lock washers will do great. And we got a couple holes to drill so I can mount it in my dash. We're gonna give it some paint, let it dry, take care of some other stuff. We're well on our way to finishing this install, finally. I'm wrapping up for the day. We got a few custom brackets made. We got a little bit of sorting done on the car. A little bit of cleaning for Tinkler. The dash is even white, or at least the framework behind it. And I even cleaned the dash. And here's our freshly painted battery tray. Custom mount bracket for my fuse panel. There's my dash display, the digital dash holder. And that'll be my COM support holder. So we can just plug right in. And then yeah, tomorrow I'll hopefully get it all assembled and send a video to Jarvis so you can see it's together, and hopefully get down to get tuned. And then this whole thing will be said and done.